Hey there, welcome to my channel. So today I'll show you guys how I make this very simple vanilla ice cream at home using just 3 ingredients. So guys, before I start, I love to put everything in the fridge just so it will retain the chill. As you can see, that's the whisk, and this is the whipped cream powder I'll be using, and I'll be using 100 grams for this recipe. And I also put this in the fridge prior to the making of this ice cream, and I'll be using 100 mils of milk, also chilled. Take note that it is chilled milk. And then I would have said you start beating on high speed, but this is powder and you don't want the powder to be all over the place. So I would say start beating at a low speed, and then once it is well incorporated, you can now increase the speed. So at this point, I've increased the speed. And so when I start to see these waves forming in the whipped cream, then I know that it is almost ready. So you just keep beating until it forms a stiff peak. So I'll add condensed milk, and I'm using peak condensed milk. This is what will sweeten this ice cream, so you just keep adding according to your preference. And then next I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then I would whisk that together. So now I've transferred it into my bowl, and I'm just trying to level it at the top. And then I'll cover it up with a foil paper before I place the lid on top, and then I put in the freezer. So after 8 hours, our ice cream is well frozen, and this is what it looks like. Then I'm just topping this up with some sprinkles, but that is completely optional though. And this is what it looks like. Guys, it was really yummy, extremely yummy. So guys, our ice cream is ready. Very simple recipe. You can do this at home anytime with very less ingredients, just 3 ingredients, and your vanilla ice cream is ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.